Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2019 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 2,869 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a windshield, heated grips, heated seats, a luggage rack, and a bumper. It comes well equipped from Harley with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, navigation, ABS, traction control, and an onboard computer. Powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8V twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE offers plenty of power with 87 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque on tap. If you're looking for a comfortable, powerful bike with a lot to offer, all in the stability of 3 wheels, this would be a great choice. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This TRIGLIDE is finished in a slick kinetic green paint set and looks as good as it goes. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.